Rector, do you know what happened to Boxxo?
What is it?
I believe this is going to be going to get fixed up pretty soon, aren't they?
Well, Boxxo is gonna be fixed right now, okay? So you go ahead and we'll have him fixed in no time.
Right. I missed Boxxo. You missed him? Nope. I missed him. Well, you miss him. Right. Oh, missed him? Nope, miss him. Oh, you miss him already. Okay. I guess he should be fine. Even though this is really how my sister is going to be with Boxxo, and I feel like I'm really sad about it. I'm really sad too, because Boxxo wasn't working anymore. Yeah. I hope we can get him fixed next time.
There you go.
What?
He's been fixed right now.
Boxxo? Are you fixed? Congratulations! Oh, finally, he's fixed. Okay, Boxxo, I'll let you put you into that wall in no time. So this is Boxxo. Can I get a drink, please? Thank you very much. Looks like he's been drinking all day.